Ever wondered what makes a reliable laptop? Or perhaps you're in the market for a new piece of tech and you're not quite sure what to look for. Well, today, we're diving into the world of laptops, specifically the HP 640G2, and the crucial factors you need to consider before making a purchase. In the vast ocean of laptops, the HP 640G2 stands as a beacon of reliability and functionality. This machine, a part of HP's ProBook series, is designed with business users in mind, but its features translate well to everyday use. One of the key aspects of the HP 640G2 is its robust build. It boasts a sturdy chassis, which offers a good degree of protection against the occasional knocks and bumps of life. It's a laptop that's built to last. Under the hood, the HP 640G2 offers a powerful Intel Core i5 processor. This ensures smooth performance, even when juggling multiple tasks.